Axe Wild Hairspray. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my bathroom, my very small, dimly lit, tiny, messy bathroom. Today I just wanted to make a video showing you guys how I curl my hair on a typical day. I figured now is as good a time as any to show you since I have to curl it to go out tonight. So, like I've said a million times before, I am no professional when it comes to hair and makeup. I just figured that these videos are good to make for you guys if you're like me and you like trying new things with your hair and makeup or trying new products or anything like that. For me personally, when I see these professionals doing their makeup, I'm like, wow, like that is awesome. I would love to do that. Then when I try it on myself, I'm like, wow, this does not look anything like what I just watched. But I figure the more I practice, the more I try, maybe one day I will get to where they are. Probably not, but one can dream. So before I start, I just want to apologize for the very contrasty lighting and the terrible sound because I'm in my bathroom. It's very small, it's hard to light things in here, so I have this light on top of my camera that quite frankly is blinding me a bit, so we're gonna hope that I can get through this with that light on. So just to show you what I use to curl my hair, I just have this basic bedhead curling iron wand, which to be honest has seen better days, but it still does the job for me, so I really like using it. Aside from that, I have my brush and I have my Not Your Mother's volumizing hairspray that I use. I have short hair, so when I curl it, it volumizes itself. I don't typically use a lot of hairspray because I don't like having hard, crusty hair. I kind of just like letting the curls turn into waves gradually throughout the course of the day or night. Okay, so first things first, when I curl my hair, I divide it up into different sections so that I'm not dealing with a whole big mess of hair at once. My hair is layered and I have very short layers at the bottom here, so it's easier for me to divide up my hair to curl it. Once my hair is divided up and I'm ready to curl, I start from the back and then work my way to the front. This is just a preference of mine. I guess it doesn't matter what you start to do, but I go from the back to the front. Also, depending on how big of the curls or how curly I want my hair, depends on how much hair I put around the wand at once. So I just want a nice wave. I'm not trying to look like Annie or what's her name, Shirley Temple. So I'm going to be taking a good chunk of hair for each wand. This is actually the first time in a while that I've curled my hair. I've decided to give my hair a break from heat for a little bit. So I've kind of just been letting it go natural, which my hair has like a weird, natural, just random wave to it. But in any case, if I were able to have my hair a certain way every day without actually having to do it or harming it, it would definitely be curly every day. So once the bottom layer is done, I usually just give it a little hairspray just to keep it intact while I do the top layer, and I let the top layer down. And I don't let the whole top layer down at once. I actually have thick hair, sort of. So I kind of let it down piece by piece. That way I'm not dealing with too much at once. Also, just a side note, I just washed my hair this morning, so the curls aren't holding as well as they would with day-old hair. I'm sure a lot of people would tell you that once your hair is freshly clean, curls won't hold as well, but in any case, they're still holding. Also, as far as what I use to clean my hair, I use Red Ken shampoo and conditioners. I use the volumizing shampoo and conditioner. It comes in a like teal bottle. I love that. And then there is I think it's called Beach Envy maybe. That is in a clear teal bottle. I love that as well. The very top layer of my hair is the layer that I pay the most attention to because that is the layer that obviously sits on top and is seen the most. So when it comes to curling that, I pay most attention to that. And once everything is said and done, I always run my fingers through my hair so that the curls don't look real wound up, if that makes sense. And it gives it a more natural look. So there you have it. There is a quick and easy hair curling tutorial. This isn't the best that I've ever done, but I'm on a time crunch and it'll do for now. This probably took about 10 to 15 minutes to do, not long at all, probably because I have short hair. Depending on how long your hair is, it may take you a bit longer if you have longer hair. But in any case, love my hair curled. Now I'm ready to go get changed and for my night out. So if you liked what you saw today, make sure you hit the red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to follow me, tweet me, all that fun stuff on social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LIKEtoKNOW.it, Pinterest, everything. I'll have the links all down in the description below. And until next time, bye!